Want to get more leads for your business but don't have a marketing team to help you? Well, here are 3 tips that have helped me get thousands of leads for my business as a one-person business and the action steps that you can start today. Lead generation is the greatest skill an entrepreneur can have. It gives you the ability to attract paying clients, which is the ability to attract money. But most people suck at lead generation. So here's the solution for you. But first I want to talk about one of the biggest lead generation killers that everyone suffers from but nobody talks about. Now the impact this has on people is a bit of a nightmare, because if you don't get this part right, all of your sales, lead generation, marketing efforts will be completely fruitless, wasting you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. So imagine for a minute you're a hunter in the wild. Would you scatter traps randomly, hoping to catch anything that wanders by? Of course you wouldn't. That's a surefire way to waste time and resources. Instead, you'd focus on a specific prey, knowing its habits and weaknesses. And it's the same with lead generation. By focusing on a narrow segment of the market, by being selective and positioning your business accordingly, you increase your chances of hitting the bullseye and attracting your ideal clients. That's why positioning is essential to make lead generation work in your business. It will make all of your marketing and promotional efforts 10 times more effective. Next, I want to talk about one of the most important aspects of effective lead generation. Few people know about this, but when they crack the code, it will open up the floodgates for you and will result in more inbound leads than you can possibly imagine. So imagine for a second social media as a bustling street, filled with people from all walks of life, bustling about, chatting and exchanging ideas. Now picture your business as a storefront along that busy thoroughfare. Without traffic, it's like having a grand opening with nobody around to peek inside. Social media brings that crowd to your doorstep, turning browsers into eager customers. So harness the power of social media and watch your business become the hottest spot on the block, drawing in crowds and driving lead flow like never before. Now there's one final key to making social media work for your business, and it's probably not what you think. You see, most businesses operate like an angler without a net. They're casting lines into the water and hoping for a bite, but they've nothing to reel those clients in, as is the case with many businesses. That's where lead capture mechanisms come in play. It's your bait enticing potential customers to take the bite and reel them in. Whether it's a captivating landing page or an irresistible offer, a well-designed lead capture mechanism hooks in those leads and keeps them from slipping away. So don't cast your line blindly, invest in a strong lead capture strategy and watch your catch of potential customers grow by leaps and bounds. As a final word, if you want to have a free consult with me to see if I can help you with generating more inbound leads for your business, then you can book in a free diagnostics call using the link within the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you the next time.